So guys, this is the stock tailtidy that you get with your Triumph Scrambler 400x. I've actually got a custom tailtidy from Legundary. I'll drop a link for the same in the description. So far this is installed with the number plate and the number plate light. I'll also install the rear indicators and then we'll install it over the bike and show you the final results. Stay tuned for the same. This is how it is looking without the tail tidy. Bike looks sick. So guys, this is how it looks after doing all the internal fittings. And I've also applied some jugaad because I couldn't find a nut for this. So let's see. Finally installed. This is the connector for the indicators.